To create viral rust cleaning videos, simply copy the master prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit send. Now, just choose one idea. Next, choose the video format you want to create. Once you select the orientation, ChatGPT will automatically generate the initial rusted image prompt and the video prompt for the rust cleaning process. Now, copy the image prompt and go to Pixverse AI. You'll find the link in the description. If you're visiting Pixverse for the first time, here's something important. Pixverse is currently giving 90 free credits to new users, so make sure to sign up before this offer disappears. Once you log in, you'll see your 90 free credits right here. Now click on Image. From here, choose the image model. I tested multiple models, but Nano Banana Pro gives the best results. Next, choose number of images, image quality, and aspect ratio. Now paste the image prompt and click Create. After a few seconds, boom, your rusted object image is ready. You can download the image from here, and if you upgrade to the Pixverse Pro plan, you can also download watermark-free images. Now go to the video option, click here to upload or select the reference image. Since we created the image in Pixverse, you don't need to upload anything. Just go to the created section and select the image we generated earlier. Next, copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then choose the video model. My master prompt is optimized for Grok imaging, so select that for best results. You can also experiment with other models if you want. Now choose number of video outputs, video quality, and video duration. For the best results, keep the duration between 8 and 10 seconds. Then click Create. After a few seconds, boom, your AI rust cleaning video is ready. Let's preview it. Using the exact same method, I generated this gear cleaning video and this wheel cleaning video. But if you want even better results, you should not miss the second workflow. For this method, I created another engineered master prompt that works extremely well with the VO3 model. Simply paste this prompt in ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will generate an initial image prompt, a final cleaned image prompt, and a video prompt. Copy the initial image prompt and go back to Pixverse. Select the image option, paste the prompt, and click Create. Within a few seconds, boom, your initial rusted image is ready. Now copy the final image prompt. Select the initial image as a reference, replace the prompt, and generate again. Boom. Now you also have the fully cleaned version of the image. Now click on the transition option, select the rusted image as the start frame and the clean image as the end frame. Make sure VO 3.1 fast is selected for the best results. Now copy the video prompt and paste it here, then click generate. After a few seconds, boom, your realistic rust cleaning video is ready. If you follow this workflow exactly, you can start creating viral rust cleaning AI videos for YouTube. But the magic of Pixverse doesn't end here. There's one mind-blowing modify feature in Pixverse using which you can change the age of the subject in the video, or you can change the season in any video. Let's say you have this video and you want to change the age of the girl in the video. Then simply go to Pixverse and click on the modify option, then upload the video clip. Next, simply enter this prompt, change the age of the girl to 7-year-old girl, then hit the send button. Within a few seconds, bingo, here's the updated video. You can see that the age of the girl in the video has changed. Here's the side-by-side comparison. Similarly, if you change the age of the girl to a 68-year-old woman and hit send, then within a few seconds, the girl in the video becomes a 68-year-old lady. Here are all three versions side by side. Similarly, if you have a video like this and upload it to the modify feature of Pixverse, then enter the prompt. Turn the season into winter. After you hit the send button, within a few seconds, bingo, the season in the video changes to winter. Similarly, if you turn the season into spring and hit send, the season will change to spring. Not only this, listen carefully, most people think Pixverse modify feature only changes small things, but what I'm about to show will literally make your old videos look like Hollywood edits. Again, if you go to modify and upload the A clip, type one simple prompt, and look at this. The entire road surface changes, like the scene was shot in a different place. Next, if you enter this new prompt, then boom, the bicycle is gone, shiny red vintage Vespa, like it was always there, but this is just the beginning. Let's break reality a little more. Modify again, type this prompt, and suddenly the weather changes to rain. Not filter, not overlay, actual rain, with reflections, shadows, everything. Now I push it further. Same clip, new prompt, and the whole scene turns into nighttime with perfect lighting, perfect shadows, perfect atmosphere. This is getting crazy. Now watch this carefully. Enter the simple text using Pix First Modify feature, and bingo. Lighting changed to golden hour lighting. Look at the skin tone, look at the shadows, look at the highlights. It feels like this was shot on a cinema camera. But wait, this one shocked me. Modify again, type this, and her outfit changes into a professional formal dress with correct folds, correct lighting, correct motion. This is not editing anymore. This is AI reshooting your video. Now let's do something even harder. Same clip, change the scooter color, and bingo, scooter color changed. Not repaint, not filter, full object recolor with reflections. Now I tried something impossible. Again, go to modify, new prompt, change background to snowy mountains, and look at this. Foreground same, subject same, but the entire world behind her replaced. At this point I thought, okay, this is the limit, but no, you can again go to modify, type this top angle drone shot, and Pix First literally changes the camera perspective like the video was shot from the sky. Now the craziest test, I type, add a dog with leash in her hand, and the AI adds a dog. With correct position, correct leash angle, next I type, remove scooter, and just like that, scooter gone, no mask, no cut, no tracking. It understands the entire scene. This is not video editing anymore. This is AI rewriting reality. So what are you waiting for? Take action now and sign up for Pixverse. The link is provided in the description below. And if you watched till here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also comment part 2 if you want more tutorials like this. You'll find all the master prompt links in the description and pinned comment. There's also a third workflow where you can create longer rust cleaning videos using the Grok end frame feature. I'll share that method in the description and pinned comment. Once this video hit 1,000 likes, and if you want to learn how to create viral AI construction ASMR videos using 2 free workflows, don't miss the video on your screen right now. I'll see you inside that tutorial.